Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. If you're looking to save money and maximize your investment, this two-part series is for you. We'll explore the financial benefits of extending your car's lifespan in Part 1. The financial benefits of making your car last longer can be substantial. Many people underestimate the potential savings that can be achieved by properly maintaining and prolonging the lifespan of their vehicles. By implementing a few simple strategies and adopting a proactive approach to car care, you can significantly reduce your overall expenses and increase your long-term financial stability. In this video, we will explore the various ways in which extending the life of your car can positively impact your wallet and provide you with practical tips to help you achieve this goal. So, let's dive in and discover how you can maximize the financial advantages of keeping your car on the road for as long as possible. Lower maintenance costs. Regular maintenance is a key factor in extending the lifespan of your car and can significantly lower your overall maintenance costs in the long run. By staying proactive and addressing small issues promptly, you can prevent major repairs that may require expensive replacement parts. Let's explore the different ways regular maintenance can help you save money. Performing regular maintenance tasks, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid checks, can greatly extend the lifespan of your car. By following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, you ensure that your vehicle's components are functioning optimally and reduce the risk of costly breakdowns. Not only does regular maintenance keep your car running smoothly, but it also helps to preserve its resale value. When it comes time to sell or trade in your vehicle, a well-maintained car will often command a higher price, allowing you to recoup some of your investment. Fixing small issues prevents major repairs. Addressing small issues as soon as they arise is crucial in preventing them from escalating into major repairs that can be both time-consuming and expensive. Neglecting minor problems, such as strange noises or warning lights, can lead to more significant issues down the line. By promptly attending to these small issues, you can potentially avoid costly repairs that may require replacing entire components or systems. Regular inspections by a qualified mechanic can help identify and resolve these issues proactively, saving you from hefty repair bills in the future. Saving on replacement parts. One of the significant benefits of making your car last longer is the potential savings on replacement parts. As your vehicle ages, certain components may wear out and require replacement. However, by diligently following a regular maintenance schedule and addressing issues promptly, you can potentially extend the lifespan of various parts, reducing the frequency of replacements. By taking good care of your car, you can minimize wear and tear on essential components such as brake pads, belts, and filters. This means you won't have to replace these parts as frequently, resulting in significant savings over time. In addition, when replacement parts are needed, you have the option to choose between OEM, original equipment manufacturer, and aftermarket parts. While OEM parts may be more expensive, they often come with a higher quality guarantee and better compatibility with your vehicle. However, in some cases, aftermarket parts can be a more cost-effective alternative without compromising on quality. Overall, prioritizing regular maintenance not only extends the lifespan of your car but also helps you save money in the long run. By preventing major repairs, reducing the frequency of replacement parts, and preserving your vehicle's resale value, you can enjoy the financial benefits of making your car last longer. Remember, investing in maintenance now can lead to significant savings down the road. Reduce fuel expenses. Proper maintenance and smart driving habits can have a significant impact on reducing your car's fuel expenses. By implementing these practices, you can improve fuel efficiency, ultimately saving money in the long run. Regular tune UPS improve fuel efficiency. Scheduling regular tune-ups for your vehicle is essential to ensure optimal fuel efficiency. During a tune-up, a mechanic will inspect and service various components of your car, such as the air filter, spark plugs, and fuel injectors. By replacing clogged filters and worn-out spark plugs, your engine can operate more efficiently, resulting in improved fuel combustion and better mileage. Regular tune-ups not only maximize your car's performance but also help save money by reducing fuel consumption. Proper tire maintenance saves on fuel. Taking care of your car's tires can make a significant difference in fuel consumption. Proper tire maintenance includes keeping them properly inflated, aligned, and balanced. Underinflated tires create higher rolling resistance, causing the engine to work harder and burn more fuel. On the other hand, overinflated tires can lead to reduced traction and uneven wear, negatively impacting fuel efficiency. By regularly checking and maintaining the correct tire pressure, you can optimize fuel efficiency, increase tire lifespan, and save money on fuel costs. Driving habits can impact fuel consumption. Your driving habits play a crucial role in fuel efficiency. By adopting a few simple practices, you can substantially reduce fuel consumption. Smooth acceleration and deceleration. Avoid abrupt starts and stops as they waste fuel. Gradually accelerate and decelerate, allowing your car's engine to operate at optimal levels, leading to better fuel efficiency. Avoid excessive idling. If you're going to be stopped for more than a minute, it's better to turn off your engine. Idling for extended periods wastes fuel unnecessarily. Consistent speed. Maintaining a consistent speed on highways and long stretches helps your car operate in a fuel-efficient manner. Constant speed reduces the need for frequent acceleration and deceleration, saving fuel. Plan efficient routes. Planning your routes efficiently can help you avoid unnecessary congestion, stop-and-go traffic, and idling. By minimizing the time spent on the road, you can reduce fuel consumption. Implementing these driving habits can enhance fuel efficiency, reduce wear and tear on your vehicle, and ultimately save you money on fuel costs. Incorporating regular tune-ups, proper tire maintenance, and mindful driving habits can significantly reduce your car's fuel expenses. By taking proactive steps to improve fuel efficiency, you'll not only save money but also contribute to a greener and more sustainable environment. Lower insurance premiums. When it comes to owning a car, one of the ongoing expenses that can eat into your budget is insurance. However, there are ways to lower your insurance premiums and save money without compromising on coverage. In this section, we will discuss 3 key strategies to reduce your insurance costs. Older cars often have lower insurance costs. If you're driving an older car, you might be in luck when it comes to insurance premiums. Insurers typically view older cars as less valuable and therefore less expensive to repair or replace. As a result, the insurance premium for an older car is often lower compared to a brand new vehicle. So, if you're looking to save money on your insurance, sticking with your reliable older car could be a wise choice. Maintaining a safe driving record lowers premiums. Your driving history is a significant factor that insurance providers consider when calculating your premium. Insurance companies reward safe drivers with lower premium rates. By demonstrating good driving habits, such as avoiding accidents and traffic violations, you can qualify for discounts and lower insurance costs. So, make sure to drive defensively, obey traffic laws, and stay accident-free to enjoy the financial benefits of a clean driving record. That concludes part 1 of our series on the financial benefits of prolonging your car's lifespan. We hope you're discovering the value of extending your car's life. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Join us in part 2, where we'll continue our journey into the world of cost-effective car ownership. Thank you for watching.